What's up, OMG Nation? On today's episode, I'm making a quick run up to Moonshine Harley Davidson right here in Franklin, Tennessee, Cool Springs area. I'm taking the fam up there. Today, Santa Claus is at Harley Davidson. So we're gonna run up there. Woo! Gotta pull these jaws down a little bit. Getting some cold in. It's like 40 degrees outside. Don't let a little cold weather and not having cold gear stop you from getting on your motorcycle, your two wheels, and enjoying everything that comes with it. Everything that two wheels has to offer. Even in traffic, I'd rather be on this than sitting in a car in a cage. I feel like that you stay more, let me shut this. I feel like you stay more in tune with what's going on around you when you're forced to. I don't know, tell me what you guys think. I have a feeling that if people drop stuff down in the comments, they'll say they'd rather be on two wheels than in four. Or, yeah, well, yeah, I guess that's right. Or in four wheels. Well, it's busy. Pay attention. It looked like they were just going to come on out. Now, look at all this traffic. This is Christmas shopping traffic is what this is right here. There are cars everywhere. That means everybody's angry for the holidays. What did you get for Christmas? 2 birds and a swerve. The date of filming this video is the 21st of December. So just a couple more days till Christmas. I guess that means when I put this out, you guys will see how far behind I am on, or, well, I would say, you could say how far behind or how caught up I am on my videos. Because I've got some basically edited that all I got to do is drop them in. I've got some dropped in that, which I like being ahead, but I may start dropping some on Wednesdays again. But it seems like every time I do that and I get myself kind of behind the 8 ball, then all of a sudden I have bad weather. And the fact that it's wintertime, I'm nervous. And see, in Tennessee, it can be 80 degrees and snow tomorrow. And then the snow would be on the ground for, I don't know, 4 or 5 days or something. Well, and here's the thing with that. If the roads aren't terrible, I'm not really afraid to be on them because of my driving, because I feel like that I'm relatively safe, but it's the fools around me, that those folks, they're not very safe. They just pull on out. They're too busy posting on Facebook and Insta spam, Gram, and they're not concerned about me, little old me, riding around on 2 wheels. I might need to check my tire pressure. It's a little funky.
did you get him on the other?
He was waiting in line to go. He just was, all these springs were full. So.
Look at you!
Y'all just coming back from a ride?
No, we were over at Hooligans. We went over for their little open house thing.
Oh, did they have one?
Yeah, they got chili and.
I wish I'd have known I'd have gone.
Oh yeah.
I like those guys.
Oh yeah, they're good people. You out riding, or you just got getting here?
No, we brought Kai over here to take pictures with Santa Claus. So I was in here yesterday, and they asked me. They said you should stop by, so I brought him by.
Oh, okay. Cool.
But
we're gonna stop by for a little bit, and then maybe go ride.
Is it over?
No, they're still doing it. You can still take pictures with Santa.
Okay.
Tell them what you want for Christmas.
Another picture is Santa.
Yeah. Where have you been? I feel like I haven't seen you in about 3 months. Yeah. How are you?
My brother.
He keeps track of what's in front of him.
Yeah. I do. I want to, but not today. But let's do it like.
I want you to ride this now.
Okay. Yeah. Absolutely.
Did you hear it when I pulled in?
No, let me hear it.
It's not crazy loud.
I saw your video, but I could. You know how that is. You can't.
We're supposed to do a whole video on the build.
Oh, really?
But
That sounds good.
a lot tamer sounding than it actually.
Yeah.
Cross-fitting.
No, it sounds good.
They wanted to get me to get rid of those pipes and get other ones, but and get a different header pipe. But I got a full stack header pipe, so I can keep these.
That sounds good. That sounds real good. Jeez.
Before.
I like. Where'd you get this?
Harley website. This is made by Myers,
Yeah.
and it was they have one in gray here.
Yeah.
Metallic, and this is muted because you can't.
Yeah.
It's $400 here. It's $400 online, but they had it on sale only in this color for $180. So I didn't have a modular. Now I have a modular.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I like it. I like this helmet a lot. You have the kitty here for the Santa Claus?
He was. We just left. We've been here for about maybe an hour or so. But yeah, we gotta. I've got to work today, so.
Exactly.
I want to paint these black.
Yeah, those things are cool black. I agree with you. I think that would look really
Yeah. But I keep cleaning these up every now and then. These things are rubbing. I guess it's time to change the fork fluid and get new springs in there. That'll be my next thing. I priced them out over here. It's like $99 for the springs or something.
But no, but I was saying here I've done this a couple times just by mistake. Before, I'd give it gas, and it'd feel the front end do this, but
Yeah.
it would only be within the play of the shock.
Yeah.
Now when you do it, front end will
Come up.
come right up. I'm not trying to do it, but it will.
Yeah. Well, you'll get used to that soon. Yeah, that's always my number one thing. When I get on someone else's bike or in someone else's car, you'll never see me like people say, "Oh, I'm gonna give it some gas." I won't do it one time.
So like
Well, my buddy that had all those Ferraris and stuff, he would always say, "You need to get on it. You need to try it." And like we were riding together one day, and I was driving, and he was drinking, and I just really don't drink, and so he's drinking, and I'm driving, and he said, "You should get on it." I said, "Let me show you the difference between you driving a Ferrari and me driving a Ferrari." And I saw this street where it had all these bars on it, and I pulled down the road, and I hit the windows down. So I opened up the sunroof, and I go, "How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?" He goes, "Oh." I said, "You go by so fast, I don't know who's in the car."
That's a South Florida way. That's what
Yeah,
we're doing.
yeah. I mean, that's crazy right there. Pull it.
Yeah, cool. And you got, is it
Yeah.
like a Kevlar thing? Or what's
Yeah.
your,
All this is Kevlar.
I didn't
Every bit of it.
even notice
Yeah.
that you got padded.
Yeah. The only thing, there's
The
only.
knees and your hip?
No, I've got a hip
Nothing there?
things. I took the
No.
hip things out, and I've got a butt protector, and I took the butt protector out. But sometimes I ride with it, sometimes I don't. The only thing I should have done is sometimes I wear a 32, and I didn't think about the knee pad being in here and drawing this up.
It's tight. Yes.
So-
you
so-
limited your articulation of your
Right.
joint.
So when I come up, these stay up, and it looks like I have high waters.
Yeah,
So I
got
should
you.
have.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah. So I should have did 34 on, but I
Need a
didn't.
little room.
Yeah. So that was a little bit of Moonshine Harley Davidson's Christmas with Santa, pictures with Santa. You saw the boy running around having a good time. As I was leaving, some of the guys from the Hall chapter pulled up. Oh, it's 48 degrees now. So now it's 48 degrees. Looks like I'm going to be stuck in traffic. I tell you what, if you guys, if this was the first time watching this video, share it with a friend. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like button. Do not forget to describe. Why can't I say subscribe? I can never say subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. Leave a comment below. Ask me any questions that you want. Within reason, I'll give you the answer. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you on the next episode.